Hey everyone, I just wanted to pop on and remind you that this is the last week to register for my 8-week online workshop, Breaking Free from Attachment Wounds. We start this Sunday, April 6th. And if you've been feeling stuck in the same painful patterns in your relationships, this workshop is for you. I'll be live with you every Sunday at 11 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. And if you have a conflict during the 8 weeks, or you just want to rewatch and review the information again, you're covered because a recording will be sent out after each week. We're going to dive deep into how early wounds shape our adult connections, and more importantly, how to heal them. Whether you're single, partnered, or somewhere in between, you'll learn practical tools for building trust, setting boundaries, and reconnecting with your truest self. This is powerful work, and you don't have to do it alone. We'll go deep, we'll get practical, and we'll do it together. Click the link in my bio to register, and let's do this work together. I look forward to seeing you there.